Kicking off with my play, it's Bath & Body Works. Citi downgrading the retailer to neutral because it's worried about margins, and here's why. Those higher raw material costs and also elevated wages are expected to pressure results here going forward, at least in the short term. Citi, though, does see CEO Seana focusing on cost cutting to offset some of that margin pressure, but the move is, quote, going to take some time. Earlier this week, Deutsche Bank, on the other hand, raised its price target on the stock to $55 a share, reiterated its buy rating, making the case that it sees, quote, a path for multiple expansion as the company looks to, quote, improve profitability. So some mixed views here on Bath & Body Works ahead of their earnings that we're getting here pretty soon. But certainly the retail sector, lots of questions just about what exactly that's going to look like. We just got that very strong retail sales number out this morning. Before that, there's lots of talk about a looming recession. So I don't know.
15 buys, 6 holds on the street, on the stock, and it's no sells, though. So it doesn't seem like anyone's overly actually bearish on the name itself. But it's basically, it seems like a little bit of a wait and see until we get earnings coming up here in the next few weeks to sort of see what they're going to do with those margins, Dave, and sort of what happens there. I know we were joking about it in the break, but it is kind of funny with Bed Bath & Beyond because they do sell some similar products. And then you think about all these headwinds coming at potentially Bath & Body Works and how that would impact a company like Bed Bath & Beyond and others in the retail sector.
It feels like it awaits a very similar fate. I hate to say that, but it does feel like something that was just much more relevant in our lives 20 years ago, and it's just a matter of when, not if. But Dan Loeb, third point, we've talked about how many companies face pressure from activists. Dan Loeb's third point owns 6%. Hinting they might push for board seats, closely watching the company and its new CEO among the many companies out there facing outside pressure.
Activist Investor Watch, Dave, one of our favorite stories.
Hashtag, man, yeah, that is the
every day
trend of the year.
Always coming up.